Hi there, this is Chris Jagazia, CEO of Off the Class, and now we're going to jump into the second of four key pieces of infrastructure that you're going to need to make a move on to get your ESL school online. Payments, obviously a very important tool. You're going to need a way to take web payments off your students because they're not going to be able to come into your physical schools. Another commoditized category, there are all sorts of different options for taking web payments. If you haven't ever taken a system before, you need to set it up. You might as well use PayPal. PayPal is widespreadly used, especially in some of the countries where your students might be located, where using credit cards and debit cards online is not yet commonplace. Some students keep a PayPal balance to be able to settle their online payments that way. Now, if you think about it, payments is very much tied to accounts. Like, for example, when your students go and buy like a 10-student package, how would you know how would they know how many classes they have left and all of that? You could buy a really fancy, expensive piece of software that, kind of aligns and combines the account system with the booking system, with the payment system. But we don't want to do that. We want to kind of apply those bootstrap principles to set up something really simple. So what I would suggest is combine your payments with a freelancer or a virtual assistant that you can hire online who can do 5 hours, 10 hours of work for you at a super affordable rate. If you've never hired a freelancer online before, I've been using a site called Upwork.com for many years, but there's so many other clones of Upwork. Basically, they're like Airbnbs for freelancers. You can go on, read the reviews, you can interview the freelancers and find someone who's really competent, really thorough, who can kind of combine that, taking the payments and then reconciling the accounts of all your various students. And that honestly is going to be far easier and far more cost effective to get your kind of payments and account system set up for your online ESL school.